Hey, happy Wednesday, everybody. Okay, so today is March 4th. It is the fourth day of me posting here on YouTube every single day. For those of you that have been watching, thanks so much for watching. I know there's 5 or 10 of you out there that keep coming back, if nothing else, just to see what I do for the day, or how I might mess up for the day. Okay, so for today, I'm using my Sony ZV-e10 to record instead of my iPhone. I'm still using this really good mic, one, because I love this microphone. I love how I can deepen the bass so it sounds like I'm coming from a cushion studio, like a studio that has soundproofing in it, even though I don't. The lighting is not the best in here today. I'm just using natural light this morning instead of my studio lights, but I am hoping to give you some information about where I am in opening my Shopify store. All right, so let's get started for today. Greetings all, I'm Dr. Xeturah Woodley. For those who don't know me, I am a retired community college administrator and a former university professor who is now focused on teaching part-time at a local community college. But most of my focus is on my small business here in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Okay, those of you who've been watching this week know I'm opening up another arm of my business, my consulting business, with Harutex Advisors. I'm going to do a DBA called The Intentional Inkwell. Now, The Intentional Inkwell is going to be the product arm of my business. The service arm is still consulting with people on their dissertations, early career faculty members and staff members looking to move to that next position in higher education. I'm still going to be doing that. But I also want to start offering a couple of products to help people get and stay motivated in their productivity. So for today's video, I'm going to talk a little bit about working on my Shopify store, which is a new venture for me. So is shooting content for YouTube. So let me show you one of the, a couple of the cute little bookmarks, magnetic bookmarks that I've made. So cute. This is my little kitty with the pink ribbon, and then my artist book. Now, most of the images that you're going to see in the shop are images that I've purchased via a commercial license from Creative Fabrica. I'm also, because I'm a retailer, I'm also going to be selling products produced by artists that I've found over the last year or so that I really want to share some of their products with you. So every single day, I am trying to work on a different part of this new arm of my company. And for the last couple of days and actually for the next couple of weeks, I will be working on the Shopify store for my products. So I've already shown you a couple of them. There's going to be magnetic bookmarks, traditional bookmarks, habit trackers, notepads, sticky notes, and stickers to start off with. Now, on to what I'll be focusing on in my business today. First of all, I need to get this place cleaned up. Let me just show you really quickly how bad this studio office is right now. Okay, so here is my messy office. As I told you, I'm having to convert this into both my studio space for YouTube as well as my production space for the products I'm creating. As you can see, I have camera equipment everywhere. I mean, this is not good, people. This is not good. So today, a large part of what I'll be producing today is cleaning up this space and trying to get it organized. Yeah, it's not good. So here's the thing you should know about me. Like, I can work in just about any environment, but sometimes it's bad. And it's bad right now because I'm moving stuff in, I'm moving stuff out. I'm trying to get production areas and design area and all of this stuff set so that I can produce some results. So anyway, today is going to be a little bit of cleaning, and I'm definitely going to shoot some videos for you as I print out and cut my next set of magnetic bookmarks. I have 6 of them all ready to go, and I want to have 25 to 30 of them ready to go, different designs ready to go by the time I open the shop. So this is a good place for me to ask you to save the date. On Sunday, March 15th at 12 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, I am opening up my shop. I am launching the Intentional Inkwell. It will be open and available for purchase starting at 12 p.m. This is my first launch date. And I'm doing everything I can to let people in my life know about it, to let those of you in my YouTube fam know about it. I'm excited to open up the productivity shop, open up the Intentional Inkwell, so that you can buy some of the magnetic bookmarks and find products to help you with your productivity. So please save the date. I'll remind you in coming videos, but my purpose over the next 2 weeks really is to get going and open up my new shop. Okay, one quick check-in. Today I have office hours for one of my courses. I have online office hours for 2 courses that I'm teaching. Today is the first set of office hours. Tomorrow is the second. So I will be taking a break during that time to work with students during my office hours, but then getting right back to it in here. You'll see some of that on tomorrow's video. Okay, that is it for today's video. Listen, I appreciate you guys for coming back and watching me as I'm developing this online business, and for supporting me as I'm creating these videos for YouTube. I really do appreciate your coming by and checking in. Now, if you have not left a comment yet, please do so below. I do my best to respond to as many comments as possible every single day. All right, that's it for today. Listen, thanks so much for watching and have a terrific day.